Want to see your TikTok password if you forgot it? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can see your TikTok password. Now, you will not be able to see your TikTok password inside the TikTok app. So instead, what you want to do is tap on the settings, then scroll down a bit and find the option of Google. Tap on that. Now you want to tap on the option of manage your Google account. Now scroll down and you will find the option of password manager. Tap on that. Now scroll down and here you will find the option of TikTok. Tap on that. Now you can easily find your username and password over here. If you want to check out the password, you can simply tap on this I button and your password will be revealed. You can tap on this copy icon next to it and copy your password. If you want to delete your password, you can do that from here as well. Now, if you want to log into TikTok, simply open the TikTok app or head over to tiktok.com, then paste the password that you have just copied, and in this way you can easily see your TikTok password if you forgot it. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.